What if I told you some animals almost never sleep? While humans need 7 to 8 hours every night, these creatures survive with little to no rest. Let's count down the top 10 animals that never sleep. The American bullfrog can stay awake for extremely long periods. Scientists observe that even when resting, it remains alert and quickly reacts to danger. It basically rests, but doesn't truly sleep like humans. The dolphin sleeps with only one half of its brain at a time. One eye stays open and the other closes. This allows it to breathe and watch for predators, even while sleeping. The Alpine Swift can fly for months without landing. Research shows they sleep while flying at high altitudes. Imagine sleeping in the sky. The African elephant sleeps only about 2 hours per day, sometimes less. They stay awake most of the time searching for food and protecting their herd. The ant doesn't sleep like humans. Instead, it takes hundreds of tiny power naps throughout the day, each lasting just seconds. Some species like the great white shark must keep moving to breathe. If they stop swimming, they can't get enough oxygen. So technically, they never fully sleep. The giraffe sleeps as little as 30 minutes per day. That's less than most humans nap in one afternoon. Like dolphins, the blue whale uses half-brain sleep. They must surface for air, so they can't completely shut down. The horse can sleep standing up. They doze lightly and stay ready to run from danger at any moment. The great frigate bird holds the record. It can stay airborne for weeks and sleep less than an hour per day while flying. That's almost no sleep at all. Which animal shocked you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Natural Facts for more unbelievable truths about our planet.